Very good evening, friends. Welcome to today's video lesson. This is C.H. Narsaya, Senior Lecturer in English, Sanjay Gandhi Government Polytechnic, Adilabad. Today, I would like to discuss in this video about interview skills part 2. The interview skills are very important for the budding engineers and upcoming uh, employees and as well as unemployed. So very useful. This is a fourth semester syllabus, advanced communication skills and life skills. These interview skills are very useful if you practice before attending interview. If you attend a mock interview, you will feel confidence to you can face the interview with confidence. So very important. If you learn the techniques are useful in your virtual interview. So that leads to your success in the interview. So interview techniques are very important for the employers and those who those who wanted to grow up their career, they to improve themselves, for getting promotions, they have to attend interview, departmental promotions sometimes. So this is very important interview techniques. Learn the etiquette, how to communicate with the employees first of all. The etiquette is means politeness. The politeness is very important. How to behave with the employers, interview board members. This is very indispensable, mandatory for everyone. Learn what do's and don'ts in the interview. What we have to be do and what should not do. What can we do? That's very important. So sometimes we are supposed to be asked in the interview, present a PPT about your past job and past organization something. So you know how to explain a PPT effectively. That time you while that time you have to carry about your PPT pen drive. That's better to carry with you. That's very neat. Use appropriate body language. The body language is very important for the employees. So the body language is a differently for based on the nature of job. So the police have the different body language. So as well as teaching, they have scientists and executives. They're based on their profession. Everyone has their own way of body language. Our body language should be in an acceptable way. That's very important. You have to think of it. That should be in an acceptable way is very important. Whether you are body language is good, you may shortlisted. You are going to be selected in the job. So that's appropriate body language according to situation is very important for the employers and employees. Learn how to face interview. That's very important. Telephonically, sometimes telephonic interview you have to maintain the telephonic interview. So how to speak in a polite way with the interviewer in a mobile phone. First of all, we have to greet the employees that this is greet and reveal your identity. First of all, this is good morning sir, good evening sir. Tell me about yourself. First of all, introduce in a positive way. The right, they will be positive. That's very important. That is interview techniques are interview skills. This is nothing but interview skills. The interview skills are very essential and useful things for the unemployed. So techniques, but learned. I think by birth, I think the persons may not acquire. We can learn the techniques, but a little awareness, a little practice, we can aware the interview with a technique way. Next, etiquette also. Etiquette is based on our environment, how we speak with the people. That's very important. The etiquette is important. Communicate with the employers. Learn the do's and don'ts. Learn do's and don'ts of the interview. So very very important. How what we have to do in the interview, what we are going not supposed to do in the interview, very very important. So here interview purpose is to they'll check the interview board members whether the candidate is a suitable or whether the candidate fit for the job. That is very very they are going to be check the interview purpose to select a right person for the right job, that is in the right time. That's important. So it assess the person, so whether the person is suitable for that organization or not, whether he fit for that organization or not. The successful preparation leads to successful interview. Successful preparation of interview that leads to successful for for getting job. So innovative approaches. So there are many things are there. You have to be develop that skills and techniques to how to develop that the remaining things. So if you develop that skills, that will useful for your entire life, but of working life, that is useful. So immensely, that is immensely useful. Um, it will a chance to win the job. So through that's why remember that the interview should be a process. The two persons they will assess the person whether they is the right person or wrong person. First of all, I would like to we have to check ourselves uh, uh, whether we are you fit or for that or not. Before that, I would like to discuss some points with you. Interview definition for interview. The definition mean interview means the two persons will sit or face to face, or they will discuss whether the person is fit for or not, something some organization, face to face. And types of interviews also there are many types of interviews now growing the technology. With the advent of technology, there are many types of interviews came up now. So face to face interview is a very very important. Now telephonic interview, there are Skype and so many parallel interview, and there are many panel interview. Many types of interviews are there. So preparation for the interview is very very important. You have to be brush up the knowledge first of all. The way the previous knowledge, you have to look after the important formulas, important areas, the basics. You have to go through the about your technical subject. So if you are a electrical student, you should know the basics about the electrical. If you brush up once, if you read once, that you may you may success in the interview. That's one. Preparation is very very important, especially the getting ready for a dress is also important. The mode of destiny to reach the interview place, the interview to reach interview in the well in advance, and as well as before that, you have to be prepare your resume and submit for that interview, and you have to prepare the syllabus whatever they have given for the interview. That's very very important. The performance in the during and after interview also very very important. It plays a very vital role in the interview to be success in the success of a person. Next, we have to adapt some tips and techniques to how to success in the interview. So the tips will be makes us to be success. So very very little bit cautious. The cautiousness will be makes us to be success. That's very very important. As well, we have to keep in our mind what we are supposed to do, what we are not supposed to do. That's very very important. So do's and don'ts are very very important. So according to situation, according after learn the techniques, everyone, every interview, every aspect has to be keep in his mind what should not do in the interview, what we have, what we should do in the interview is very very important. Interview questions also. Sometimes we can anticipate some questions. What are the questions are going to be asked in the interview? We can anticipate it. We can expect the questions some, especially the person is very very what he has to introduce himself first, and about his about his parents, about their education, about his skills and previous experience, and everything. There, we are at least the person has to be introduce himself. That is an anticipated question. That's a common question for the interview. Introduce yourself. Tell me about yourself. That's a common question for the every interviewer. So if you prepare well in advance about that, about yourself according to based on your resume, there is a chance to scope to success in your interview. That's I would like to be remind you. Be prepared for interview well in advance. Learn the techniques, and based on your resume, you have to go through the resume once or twice before going to be attend interview. That's very that plays a vital role. Go CV a curriculum vitae that plays a very important role in the success of our career, a person's career, to be get a job also. Important job sites also very useful. You have to go through the sites and how you have to get ready and how you have to learn the techniques and how you can research about that company, the nature of their company and how nature of their product and the location of company and everything you will have to get at least the when that organization was started and how that organization was succeed and their history a little bit you should know about their history, or else you may not be success. So interview is a formal meeting. Let me to be say it's a formal meeting, a meeting arranged in a systematic time and is a face to face minimum two experts, maximum 4 to 5 experts are there, and that experts may assess the person those the candidate aspirant attends. They will check their the person's psychology with the behavior, their verbal and non-verbal language, and their according to how he behaving in the interview board members, his behavior, how his subject is, how he is emotionally balanced. With the based on their questions, and they'll ask the number of, they'll pose and they'll come to a conclusion. They will come to a conclusion how he is good, how he is fit for that. So minimum how to be maintained that the process is in the board minimum 2 members, maximum 4 to 5 members they can be. Sometimes panel discussions also there. The board each panel may be consisting some members. That is a panel discussion. Panel interview may be conducted. So in a single board, 4 to 5 members minimum. They will arrange one psychologist, one subject expert, or one representative to, from that organization, one or two, and one psychologist. Then based on that, they will choose to select the board members. So they are tested for the subject knowledge also. They will ask the questions and based on whichever he belongs to, which subject does he perceived, whether he be, based on his core subject they will ask the questions. So if the electrical student maybe they will ask the questions about electrical traction and AC emission, DC emissions. They will ask about that, and then skills and desired behavior in a very limited time. So that is also very important. So how his skills and whether his behavior is in an acceptable way or not, that's important. So knowledge testing is also important. Skills whether the person is possessed skills or not. The behavior desired behavior the person has or not, they will check. So types of interviews also there. I would like to discuss a panel interview. There are more 3 or more experts sit across the table from the candidate. They will see across the candidate. They will ask the questions. 3 or more members and the experts are there. In that is called panel interview. Face to face interview. Face to face means one interviewer and one candidate only. The person, the expert, one expert will be asked the questions the interviewer and he will answer. That is important. Panel interview having 4 5 members, more than 3 members, and face to face means one expert and then one candidate only. That is interview. That that interview may be recorded, for the future purpose. So informal in the nature also. Sometimes the person is going along with walking on the road or somewhere, and walking with him asking some questions. That's informal. That's the but nature, that is the one type of parameter. That is mukamukhi. That's called in Telugu. Less distance between the interviewer and the candidate. That's actually the moderate distance may be supposed to be. The person, the interviewer can able to see the person's face with a moderate with the distance, with having 4 5. The middle of them only one table and chai. So that's important. Less distance between the interviewer and candidate. Less stressful. They have to be. They should not feel stress. They have to relaxed. Why we have to feel this relaxed environment? They are going to be arrange. They will make them to free from stress environment, and compared to a panel interview. So they will come to how is stress less stressful. Otherwise, have positive environment, good environment or not. This is going to be that's the thing. So prior interview, what we have to do? First of all, before interview, we would like to discuss prior interview, in the interview, and after the interview. We will make the 3 parts actually interview. Actually, before that interview, prior interview, how to be prepare your CV, that is called curriculum vitae. That's also called as a resume. So you have to prepare your resume, and you have to send that organization, whichever the organization given advertisement for the jobs. So you send it your CV with preparing thoroughly, and skills determined. You have to keep the skills, whatever the skills you have, you can. Right? So I'm good at handle preparing transformers and something step up transformers. You can if you are an electrical student. Now know the company first of all. So you should where that was company was located, where that their office was located, and when it was started, the nature of their app, and the company directors, and who is the owner of that, and managing directors. Let's know something about that company first of all. Without knowing their company, the nature of their work, without nature of their product, without knowing how can they do the justice for that job. I'll know a little bit about that company. You should not research, but know if you know much about nothing to no problem. But as much as possible, better to know, better to get the information about that company. Go the company website first. Go through that company website. How that the company website is the best source for to know about that company. When every company keeps one website. They are preparing website, and they are keeping they are giving their reports, and quarterly, half yearly, yearly, and their product, and their growth of their business and fall of their business, and everything they are keeping their websites. So knowing about a company that is very important. The company website is very useful. That's how I would like to remind you. Next, annual reports are also very useful to be for a person to know about a company. So you have to be go through once or twice, thrice before going to interview about that company. So company website, and know about the company, and preparing resume is also very important. Keeping the genuine skills, whatever the skills you post, you are keeping that, and business news papers also they will write about the reviews about the company. Magazines also writes about the company. So that organization. So very important. Some papers are business magazines may cover you. In which magazine covering that, you can get some little bit information about that company. Directly contact the employees. So sometimes you can if anyone knows about them already previously working in that organization, if you contact that employees, they know, they will say, they will reveal something information about that company, how the job and nature of the job, nature of product, and how many employees are working. Others about their organization, you will get the much information about that company. So at least you will get some information. That's a prior information. And as well as prior interview, you have to be um, get ready, groom yourself. First of all, groom yourself. Physical looking is very very important for a interview. If you are looking at good, you have to be, you can impress the person. First appearance is the best appearance we have when I say it. So you better to look after your grooming standards, not poor. You have to get clean shape. You have to be neatly combed. That's very very important. Sir, that is grooming prayer interview. How to be get a suitable dress first of all, which you shoots for you. Need not purchase a new dress for it. So whichever you have the dresses, you have dresses. You choose one of the best dress which is shoots for interview. Don't wear thick color dresses, light blue, light. That's this very very useful for the interview. You whichever is light color or something, wearing black pant or blue pant with light color this is acceptable dress. So knowing about that is preparing that prior interview, that's very very important. Looking getting a clean shave and haircut if you and a laid neatly combed hair, that's very very important. So without prayer in the preparation for interview, I think we should not. We may feel a little bit tense. Whether my appearance is not good, whether my preparation is not good, whether I can reach or not. These are all prayer preparation is very, 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 very important for the interview candidate. So, before you prepare well in advance for that subject, if you prepare like that, you can reach that place. So, prepare taking brush up your knowledge first of all, whichever your about your BTech or MTech or a diploma, whatever you have, you should go through them once and try to remember the important formulas from all the subjects, and need not skim once or twice before going to be interview. That's important. So that is very very useful for you. That's important. Know the company and the main production, about their production also very very important. For if you are going to be attend one kind of startup product, without knowing, if you go, they will ask, tell me about our product, how it is nature of product. If you are not able to answer about that production and their service, you, I think they may not satisfy with your interview. The person doesn't know how to know nothing know about our production, our service, where how the nature of job, and it doesn't know. That's why that leads to be a disqualification and negative impression on the candidate for the interview. Next, annual sales also very very important. The profit and loss and divided dividend and how much they are giving the shares and their benefits for the shareholders. That's important. About the competitors also you have to know. Those for example, the same product and the nature of product may produced by the same companies. They that airline company, the opponent companies, they have competitions. To overcome that, these company has to be produce the quality and with a right price, according to suitable price they have to release. That's important for that. So area of operation also, where they are going to work, how, where they are going to produce, and where they are going to be procure the raw material. That's important. That the thing, those knowledge is must and should must for the candidate. Those who are the aspirant. New product is a very very important. What are the new products are there going to be, upcoming products we should know, the candidate should know about before the prior. Service, they are going to, which type of service they are going to be launched. That's also important. So would like to know further about the service, know about the product, area of operation you must keep in your mind. Their competitors also, those who are the same competitors. Annual go through their annual sales and profits and losses. But main production you have to be their service area also there. So before that, Here the prior interview I would like to know. Self-evaluation is very very important. I would like to mention from our text. The text, how your present and past experience first of all, how you are in the past experience, and relate the position. So my previous I worked in some organization here, and so I worked in the production division and management division and sales division. You the way you how to be tell about your experience, relate them. Your position, as I'm a chief manager or somewhere, I'm working it, I'm an organizer, or based on your nature of work, you have to be relate the describe that company. So know the current future career goals, how they are going to be launched, what type of products they are going to be launched, you should know, and skills and experience also you should know, and you have to offer for that company the skills that you would like to be developed for future. So now you should know what are the skills that I have, but what way I have to improve, why, where the areas to be improved. You have to feel, you have to feel which area I have to improve and which area my strengths and weaknesses a person has to know first of all. Without knowing the strengths and weaknesses, you should not go the charge. That's important. Skills you have to know which skills I have. Next is next I would like to be developed. I would like to improve communication skills, or else I would like to be writing skills. I would like to develop some skills. You have to be do how to be assess yourself self in the self evaluation. The location, salary also you should know that at least a little bit about that salary, how much they may offer. For example, a candidate expectation of 1 lakh, but their salary maybe 10 lakhs. If you select out, that is not up to the no your expectations. So, though you know a little bit about how much salary they are going to offer. Salary and their lifestyle and priorities also important. Every company has their own priorities and in the production, and their way of the lifestyle is different. In the coming to the services to the customers and their clients, so they have their own way of style. Kinds of people and their environments also we know prefer. The people may be prefer some types of things. So that you should know that people, some people, I think the production, for example, North Indians can take to example. For example, North Indians, the product is their wheat and wheat based product they used to eat. That the company may be produced in the North India wheat and something, that type of products that their company will be develops. The South Indians they prefer always the rice and rice based products. I think the South Indian the companies they have to come with the products with production with that rice based products. So of course that is a little bit variable. I think North Indian, some North Indians may eat rice, and but South Indians may eat some people maybe eat their wheat based products. But most of the companies and many the most of the people, we have to take into consideration. Many of the people, they their food habits, based on their food habits, we have to be concentrate on product. So according to the demand, we have to be produce and supply for them. So that's important. So the nature of products that is very very important. People, environment, and past experience. I wanted to highlight the in the your interview. Techniques to face interview. I would like to discuss take some techniques to be faced interview. So know the what are the techniques we have. Some, so what are the techniques we have? Research the company first of all. Company website you have is an excellent place to know about that company. Usually it gives the information much about that company, their domestic or their international, their about their product, their revenues and their locations, and the nature of products and major products and companies, where they tie up with companies website. That there are much you'll get that. So how you had chance to look at the website. If you ever time you have chance, you go through the website. The practice interviews also very better to attend mock interviews, and at least if possible you attend go with some coaching for an interview, and at least you make yourself as four or five, three, four members. You ask your friend, making a constituting a committee. Your four members, your friends will work as a panel of the interview, and you are the candidate. They will pose questions, you will answer, and one by one, if you rotate the your position, if you change your role, I think everyone get the practice. That's they will be revealed their your strengths and weaknesses, your everything they will reveal. The situation is that like that. Answering each question is a very important. How you are answering, the answering also brief answer is very useful. That is comfortable way that you can answer the questions asked by the interview board members. The practicing beforehand and is very useful before you comfortable and relaxed during the interview. Dress professionally. So I would like to already I discussed with the grooming are very important. Having this good look impression that leads to be success. The first impression is the best impression. The physical features are also very important. Under that, I think we cannot change our color and hide something. That's common. That's a born. But we can, with a little bit of take care, we can look in a better way. Based the whatever the is genetically face and everything, color and everything. But it's not color and is not criteria. But wearing a proper dress, we can look. We can. Promote and develop our looking standards, looking at our grooming standards also. The getting clean shave is a very common. It's everybody we can look. Next, comb, haircut also very important. Clean haircut. Combing hair also very important. How you are combing, that's important. That denotes our how you are looking good, and they feel that the employer feel that, oh, this fellow is looking good. I think he look after my company also well. He combed well. I think he will be clean my company. So if a person having good communication skill with a good preparation without maintaining good without preparing a professional dress, if you go with a casual dress and a jean pant and a t-shirt, that creates a negative impression on the candidate. Though he is efficient, but he is a negligent fellow. He doesn't bother about a company. He doesn't take any kind of care about my company. The employer feels that. So be prepare you, and be you better to prepare wear a formal dress. Very important. Clean shaving and neat combing, hair cutting. So for dressing is also different from ladies to gents. Okay, as well as wear a comfortable footwear also very important. That is whichever you choose. I think while entering or while leaving the interview, it doesn't make the lots of noise. That leads to nice unnecessary negative impression on the from the interview board members. The panel maybe that's why what is this nuisance, they may feel that like that. So wear a comfortable footwear, whichever issue or chapel or whatever you wear. Nothing to problem. But if it is better to wear a shoe whichever is fits for you, may not purchase a costly footwear, but we according to your requirement by financial budget, whichever looks better, polish proper way, polish your shoe. That's in the right way. That's because they feel that the looking good shoe. This fellow is looking good. I think in a similar way he will look after my company in a same in a neat and tidy. So very important. That's very sure by person. Without maintaining his body, how can he maintain your organization? That's that posing the question which we have to apply. Always be cautious about our dress. About dress, ladies they can wear a Punjabi or dress, and they are not supposed to be wear high heels. Why? Because sometimes unless they're making noise, and sometimes there is a chance to fall on the floor while walking. That looks like a catwalk. So wear a comfortable um, shoe, and wear sari or blouse and or a Punjabi based on your their fit and interest. but you should not be, don't go unnecessary, unacceptable, unacceptable dress, sleeveless like middies, and that's maybe not so good. So whichever is in a comfortable way, you should look like that. So men can wear the pant and shirt, that they have to wear pursuit, that is very very important, shirt and blouse. Ladies for that is blouse, and they have to wear sari. Shoes may be comfortable in the clean way. So hair should be take care about hair, and remember that keep any jewelry, jewelry for ladies, which you will minimum jewelry how to wear, not to be pompous, not to be wear like that should not be supposed to do like that. Looking good is also boost your confidence level. If you are looking good, your confidence level will be high. So visual impressions are very very important in anywhere. So your visual impressions are very very important. Verbal language along with this, always address in a convenient and conservative site. Arrival of the interview board, interview place is very very important. The location a little early, at least 2 3 hours, a half day, one day before is good. To give it gives you to time to determine what are you needs to wear, how you have to go, that mode of transport. It has to be, sometimes if you start the same day for interview, the traffic that leads to maybe some traffic jam, or sometimes strike will happen, or many things will happen, or breakdown of vehicles or anything. So better to reach the near venue of the interview place and stay there one day before, and get refresh, and that leads to be tense free, and you can face interview confidently. Will give you a few minutes of color, that's thoughts. So arrive late easily creates unnecessary bad impression, and as a unnecessary tension, you'll get sweat, and in the interview that leads to a negative impression on you. Finally that leads to be you may not be shortlisted in that interview. So during the interview also give firm and a gentle handshake if they offer. During the interview give uh, so give and firm shake hand. Now that's very important, that denotes your confidence level. So interviewers, if they ask, supposed to be, or else without giving, uh, without 15% only. So gotcha. So you are not supposed to be do like that, so friends. But during interview, you have to feel, reach in the interview, greet the interview board members, and sit comfortably, and you until you invite outside, wait the outside. So direct eye contact is very very important with that. So sit comfortably and smile, a smile face, the moment you need. So that is very very important. So the thing that friends, uh, battery low. So I would like to be think, I would like to ask, suggest you, during interview greet the interview board members, convey a good morning or good evening, wish them according to the situation, and if they offer, give a firm shake hand, and decision making also very very important. In fact, most of the decisions are made within the first 3 minutes only. With the first 3 minutes, if you are good, okay, they will come to conclusions whether he is a right person or not. So there you need to go be aware of both your verbal and non-verbal communication is very very important. Um, Here I would like to mention that some verbal communications, and show genuine interest in the opposition. Just I am time pass. You should not show the interest about the. If you do to like that, behave like that. Only you are showing interest on money, not on the work. You are came for only sake of time pass purpose. That is wrong. That. Next, show genuine interest in the position. So least listen and answer the questions asked. by the interview board. First of all, listen properly, then answer in a right way. So first of all, without listening, if you answer, I think that leads to maybe a wrong disqualification. You have to be friends during the interview. Never argue with the in a point of view. If you are not uh, satisfied, if you are not go, you are not agree with that point, don't argue. That's as far as my point of view, sir. This is so. My intention is, my opinion is, don't say you are wrong. You are wrong. That's in the movies like the candidate, interview candidate will he does the interview for those who ask the questions. That's a negative, at least a negative thinking. That's why don't argue with any point of view. Go tell your answers firmly. If you know answers, tell answers confidently. Or else, if you don't know answer, you accept it. I'm sorry, not aware of the answer. You see, like that. Never argue with any point of view. If you do not understand, you can hear the question and you can ask the repeat. Can you pardon, answer? Can you repeat? I am unable to get your question. If you do not understand, you can ask them. So that's very very important. Do not interrupt. If while they are asking, that is, don't interrupt the interview board members. Listen them their questions properly. Concisely. Answer in concise way. In one or two sentences are to be accepted for as an answer. Don't be answer in a lengthy way. That leads to be something doing mistakes also. So answers should be firm and one or two sentences. Don't give the lengthy answers for the given asked by the questions asked by the interview board. So next, non-verbal communication also very very important. Put your feet squarely on the as well as the floor on the floor across legs is ankle like this way. Put anything if you carry on the floor. Don't keep that bag or suitcase on their table. That's wrong. So on the floor is enough. If you carry any bag, rest your hands in your lap. That is a good way of sitting. Sit straightly. Your back is straight. So nod your head. Show you are listening. Okay, you nod your head according to the situation. So do not fidget. Don't be like that fidget. Like that. Be flexible. Do not be fidget. Be serious, but do not forget the smile. Of course, take the serious interview serious, but it should not be. Don't forget to smile. Smile is a little smile is very important. Don't laughing. More laughing. That's also posing question jokes on the interview board member something. That's maybe possible in the movies, but not in the real life. So be serious. Don't be fidget. Don't forget about a smile. Acceptable smiling is very very important. So that's good. So that's why there are many things are there to be discussed in this way. So I would like to discuss here uh, non-verbal. First impression is best impression. So take only 30 seconds to be establishing a report. First of all, that's why the 30 seconds are very very useful. You should be all well groomed and professional appearance is very very important. Always maintain eye contact with the shaking hands. If you are giving shaking hand, you look at that person only. So looking that person and shaking at this side is negative way. Smile denotes the confidence in the candidate. Be a smiling face. Don't be angry mode. That's very, very important. Smile creates the confidence. Try to smile often. Some often. Okay, so thanks. Way also don't be afraid to use some hand animations. Sometimes if you need any animations, you can use. Answering questions. This suggests enthusiasm in a candidate. That's very important. Body language you use. So posture is good posture. Sit straightly and look at the interviewer right in the eye contact. The right side is very very important. Sit up straight and never slouch. Don't be never slouch and quickly. See from right side eye. Speak clearly. In a mumble, don't be mumble. That leads to be disqualification. It portrays the lack of confidence. Mumbling is a lack of confidence. Speak with assurance. This indicates the confidence. So don't be mumbling. Listen before answering. First of all, you have to be listen the questions and before the answering. By the question, listen questions properly. If you listen the questions properly, you can answer well for the questions. Or else, without listening to question, entire questions, if you answer that leads to be that you are crazy, you are not tolerant, and you may answer wrong, whether their intention may be different, you or intention may be different, or you'll answering. So listen for properly before answering the questions. It is not interview clarify. So interviewers may not don't ask the clarify question, but without listening properly, how will they clarify the questions? So think of it. I would like to be discuss these all things, friends. Next, give brief answers. Don't be give lengthy answers. Previous employers also don't make any negative comment on your previous organization and previous employer. That leads to be negative impression on you. I think the fellow, I think, may while leaving our company, I think he will make say comments on us. So be good, be prepared. Don't make unnecessary comments on the previous employer. Be truthful. Don't lie when asked about the something. Be truthful. Know your resume first of all. How your resume is there. How your resume preparing. Important. Every fact that your resume is important. Half of the questions are going to be asked from your resume. So prepare thoroughly about resume. Keep things at a professional level. According to your position, you have to keep the things. Don't be pompous. Don't be like lavish. But don't be greedy. Based on the situation, according to position, you are important. Some people that though they don't have food and something, but the people will maintain the iPhone. How is it requires? That's not important. I think you are not supposed to carry mobile phone. Better to stop mobile phone and switch off and hand over it before going to enter an interview. That's very important. Don't be pompous. So don't be lavish. Don't be greedy also. Look at something in the common. Everything is a common. You say that's very important. Edge of the past. You feel that everything will be positive for yourself. That interviewer has to feel about you are comfortable with that. So after the interview, you have to thank the interviewer and give the shake hand while leaving. Remember that interview does not finish until the have the left the building. So that's very very important. And don't ask the interviewer whether I am selected or not. That's wrong. So if you have not heard about the company, but you should agree that so sir, I'm not aware of that. I didn't prepare. I don't know about much about the company, but I know it's something. And it is important. Focusing, presenting positive and enthusiastic is very very important. These are also things are important. Describe the if you are weak, you should not describe about yourself. Don't reveal your about to your negative points. Be learned about it. So learn and steer away from the negative descriptions, unnecessary descriptions, weaknesses. That's important. Key points that are very very important. Personal characteristics are very important, and demonstrate that you are could perform the job well. Find a specific rather than the general. Very very important. When you are answering, advantages of preparation is improve your confidence level. So improve your level. So,